In this video, we're going to discuss Tesla Cybertruck rear megacast leak first impressions from teardown, Tesla posts more Cybertruck production jobs, Tesla Roadster Cybertruck set to return to Petersen Auto Museum in new company exhibit, and more. So let's go.
You are watching watslockandkey.
The electric vehicle community was recently graced by an image shown a first glimpse at the Tesla Cybertruck rear megacast. The image was reportedly leaked from Gigafactory, Texas. The image itself surprised many, partly because of just how large the apparent Cybertruck rear megacast was. The Cybertruck rear megacast is expected to be massive, with CEO Elon Musk noting that the component would require the use of a machine that is far larger than the already gigantic gigapresses used from the Model Y front and rear underbody. Automotive veteran and teardown titan Sandy Munro, who has extensive experience analyzing Tesla electric vehicles, shared his first thoughts about the leaked image of the Cybertruck rear megacast. Initially, president of Munro and Associates, Corey Steuben, posted a short clip of Munro reacting to the image, and in a later video, the teardown titan shared some of his close observations about the image. In his first impressions, Munro was immediately struck by the size of the Cybertruck's rear megacast. Munro summed up his first impressions in his comments about the image. "That's actually more revolutionary than what I thought," Munro noted, adding that he would like to see if the component was actually just one casting. Munro shared his findings in a follow-up video posted on YouTube. Upon close inspection, Munro noted that the components in the leaked image does not seem to be a single casting, at least not yet. Instead, the component that was photographed in the leak was a prototype comprised of about 5 components that were welded together. Munro mentioned, and I quote, "This is a prototype. It means that they're trying it out to make sure that from a fit standpoint, it all works. I'm going to tell you right now, there are 5 components that you're looking at. They're welded together. These components are probably made, these castings, what look like they are casting, but they're made in a different way," Munro stated. As well, he mentioned it's called lost foam casting. So what I could do is I can make a foam pattern, something like that, PEM it up in sand, and then I pour molten aluminum into the cast or into the mold, and that mold will sublimate the styrofoam. It'll just vanish. It turns into gas, and then it will fill up the core that's inside the mold. It will give me this casting. It's a great idea for a prototype, Munro observed. Despite the skepticism from some who believe the Cybertruck is just vaporware that will never be released, updates from Giga Texas and the increasing number of images in the Tesla facility suggest that the vehicle is indeed nearing production. This was practically confirmed by Tesla in Q3 2022 earnings call, when the company stated that Giga Texas is on track to begin early Cybertruck production in the middle of 2023. It's very interesting to see all of these updates, and we can't wait to see the final product in the near future. So stay tuned for that. Next up, Tesla posts more Cybertruck production jobs. The Tesla Giga Texas is ramping up Cybertruck job hires once again. The latest job opening for the Cybertruck hints the Tesla is inching closer to starting production. Early this month, Tesla posted several jobs for Cybertruck production. The job list includes opening for the following positions: manufacturing operation leader, senior equipment engineer, equipment engineering manager, senior equipment engineer robotics, just to mention a few. All of the Cybertruck jobs that Tesla posted are located in Austin, Texas. Tesla Giga Austin will be its Cybertruck factory. During the Q3 2022 earnings call, Musk mentioned that Tesla was the final lap for Cybertruck. At the same meeting, a Tesla executive noted that the Tesla already started preparing for Cybertruck production at Gigafactory, Texas. In late October, new Cybertruck bodies were spotted inside Giga Texas. A few more Cybertruck prototypes were also spotted at the Fremont factory in October. Tesla expects to enter early Cybertruck production in the middle of 2023 and enter mass production by the end of next year. Well, we can't wait till that happens, and we're itching to see the full results of this. So What do you think? Will this Cybertruck be something that you would desire in the silver color, the black, or in another matte color? Leave your comments below. Tesla Roadster Cybertruck sets to return to Petersen Automotive Museum and Art Company exhibit. Yes, this massive exhibit has been in Los Angeles since November 2022, and it hosts the new exhibit called Inside Tesla, Supercharging the Tesla Revolution, which will explore the company history from its early days to its rise as a global leader in EVs, which has influenced nearly every car company on Earth to transition to sustainable powertrains. Now, one of our colleagues were there and got some live footage from a variety of locations inside of the museum, and you can check those out in our shorts, as well as we have a few videos broadcasting that, which we'll show here. The museum displays the most comprehensive collections of Tesla products to date and will feature everything from concept vehicles to rarely seen prototypes, and will of course include